How you doing, Kelowna? This is Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me I have a 2019 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive. Let's go take a walk around. How you doing? And starting underneath the hood, we have a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder with a CVT transmission. And starting at the side here, we have real nice 17-inch alloy wheels, color matching mirrors, chrome door handles. Coming around back here, you have the SV all-wheel drive badging. Sorry, underneath here, open up the lift gate. You have that cargo cover. And starting up at the dash there, it's reading 78,282 kilometers. You have your mirror settings and your window controls. You have your tripometer up top there. You have your traction control, gas cap opener, all-wheel drive, sport, and eco. Here is your audio settings along with your cruise control and hands-free. We have your infotainment screen, climate control. Below here you have your auxiliary and USB input, gear select, cup holders, and heated front seats. Center console does have a USB input. And here's a closer look at the leather seats. And to cap it all off, you have this real nice panoramic sunroof. And coming into the back here, we have the nice leather seats, lots of legroom, cup holders. Pull this lever to pull it down. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2019 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive. For more information on this unit, feel free to reach out to us at 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by our dealership located on the corner of Lucky and Highway 97, as we are open Monday to Saturday 9 to 6. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.